General knowledge questions about birds. Q1. Which bird can talk like humans? A. Parrot. Q2. Which is the fastest bird in the world? A. Peregrine falcon. Q3. Which bird lays the largest eggs? A. Ostrich. Q4.
Which bird cannot fly but can run very fast?
A. Ostrich. Q5. Which bird is known for delivering letters in old stories? A. Pigeon. Q6.
Which bird sleeps while standing on one leg?
A. Flamingo. Q7. Which bird is awake at night and sleeps in the day? A. Owl. Q8. Which bird is a symbol of peace? A. Dove. Q9. Which bird is very small and can fly backward? A. Hummingbird. Q10.
Which bird is called the king of birds? A. Eagle.